Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the deal fundamentals, valuation, repair budget, and your preferred exit so partners see the math. Once done, assemble a short JV memo that states purchase price, required capital, target profit split, and timeline. This converts calls into commitments. Reach out to pre-qualified cash partners and local rehab teams with the memo. Explain why the deal meets their return targets and what role you need them to fill. Make sure to secure interest before contract contingencies expire. You now convert interest into structure. Agree on capital shares, profit split, voting or veto rights, and exact timelines so expectations match. While partners review terms, complete due diligence, title search, inspection, contractor bids, so repair scope and costs are firm. Once numbers align, circulate an LOI or short JV agreement and a purchase addendum. This locks partner commitments into the transaction cadence. Make sure funding triggers and closing responsibilities are crystal clear to avoid last-minute disputes. You drive the close, confirm escrow wiring, title transfer, and that partner funds meet the closing checklist so there are no hiccups at signing. After closing, manage rehab with a weekly draw schedule, contractor approvals, and concise partner updates. This maintains cash flow and trust. As the project finishes, execute your exit plan, assign, list, or sell, making sure proceeds distribution follows the JV agreement. If things go wrong, revisit the JV agreement, enforce dispute clauses, and communicate options to preserve capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.